Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Okay, so we're doing chapter 29, problem 39. So it says, show that the RMS output of an AC generator is given by NAB omega over root 2. And it says omega equals 2 pi f. Okay, so if we look back at equation 29.4, sorry, that was, I need to write that better. Equation 29.4. And that tells us what the peak voltage is. So that means that gives us the peak voltage here is in the omega. Well, we should know that there's a key here that the peak or the RMS is always the peak over root 2. So if we just divide this by root 2, this is the RMS. So that's a quick trick to do this problem.